So they have returned. The whales are back, coming back. I would also say that what we have coming back into crypto is institutional money and retail money. It is starting to flow back, and it will continue, I think, to see this upward trajectory. And we're going to talk about this. We're going to look at what's going on with crypto. We're going to take a look at what the future holds here, rolling into the rest of December. We've got about 10 days left. We've got the holidays coming up, and then obviously rolling into January, and that's what all eyes are focused on. If you haven't already done so, hit that subscribe button. Please drop a like on the video. I'd greatly appreciate it. So Bitcoin whales return as BlackRock makes Bitcoin ETF approval key priority. This is what grabbed my attention in this, is that you have to remember that BlackRock is one of the single biggest traditional finance companies out there, right? They are out there as, again, one of the biggest. I don't know why I said that twice. But right here, this is the key. BlackRock has made receiving SEC approval for its proposed Bitcoin ETF a, quote, key corporate priority. And so this is a massively big company with a lot of power behind them, a lot of leverage behind them, and a lot of power in multiple scenarios, political, financial. They're going to move this thing. They're going to move the needle. And so with that, we will see approval. Now, it's key as to when. And the BlackRock, Bitcoin ETF, as well as the other guys, this is the biggest thing for crypto. Okay, so kind of shifting our attention to what's going on right this second. Actually, we're dropping a little bit. We were just a little over 2% as of about 30 minutes ago. Then we went to 1.4, and now we're at 1%. But we're at 1,650 billion as far as kind of the as far as the market capitalization. Sorry about that ding. Somebody's texting me and it's coming through. I didn't turn off my notifications. So continue to see Bitcoin is right around that 44,000. But the shining star has obviously been Solana. Solana has just continued its meteoric rise. Let me show you that chart right here. This is the Solana chart. Each one of these candles is a 12 hours worth of data. And I wanted to show you this. This is my software, my trading indicator. That gave a momentum up alert 65 days ago. 1,000 in would have made you $2,769 in profit. So that's my software. All it does is you can set up alerts. I get them on this phone right here. Just notifies me when to buy and when to sell. You can see like, again, had a buy, sell. That was 140%. And then we had a consolidation right here where my mouse is, and then another buy, sell. There you go. So again, continues to just see this thing roll up. It's crazy to see these gains and how everything's playing out. I love it. And so if you're interested, links in the description below. Pick up my software if you want. There's a discount code down there. You can get it for cheap. The quarterly option is the best option if you're interested. And there's a 30-day, no questions asked, money back guarantee. The other thing I want to share with you is I talked about this yesterday. This is Michael Saylor coming out, who's the CEO of MicroStrategy, obviously a tremendously popular advocate and vocal Bitcoin maxi out there. His company owns approximately 174,000 Bitcoin, worth 7.3 billion, and they're $2.1 billion in profit. Okay, he's going to continue to buy. He was talking about this right here. He said, "Look," he said, in the red, a Bitcoin ETF would open the door to mainstream retail and institutional investors. I agree. But this is what I thought was really interesting. He said, look, in the green, this ETF would create a major catalyst driving demand. Okay. So he's talking about as the Bitcoin ETF is going to drive demand up for Bitcoin. And by the way, we're talking about Bitcoin, but we're also, we're going to see spillover into Ethereum and the major blue chips, followed by a, quote, supply shock in April when Bitcoin halving event takes place. So you have two events. You have a major catalyst, the ETF approvals driving demand up, right? And then you have the supply shock in April when the Bitcoin halving event is going to effectively, make supply more scarce. Like right here, the purple. I don't think we've ever seen a 2 to 10x increase in demand combined with a halving in supply, okay, and a scarce, desirable asset that people want to hold for a long period of time. and then the blue. So I think we're expecting 2024 to be a major bull run for the asset class, i.e. Bitcoin. He's talking about Bitcoin, but he's also really, at the end of the day, talking about crypto in general, and it will spill over and bleed over into crypto. Because remember, where Bitcoin goes, the rest of crypto shall follow. So that's what I got for you as of right this second. Have a good one. I'll be around all day. Take it easy. Bye.